Welcome to my store. Okay, so this is a wet dry filter that I made. It used to have this fitting in the end. It also used to have glass in the end, but, well, Jay dropped it and it doesn't have an end in the mat anymore. So, we got this chunk of glass. It's not quite the same thickness, but it's close enough. This supports it, so this should be fun. Okay. So, stick her in there. Now this is dry erase marker. It does kind of leave a mark, but I don't know. They got to invent something better for writing on glass. Aaron, you get right on that, okay?
Okay. Just like knives that don't rust.
Knives that don't rust. I could say something that would alienate our female viewers. Women that never yell at their husbands. I'm voting for that. Okay. So we're going to line this up so we're actually cutting it straight because, well, if you've watched my videos, you know I'm not that great at cutting glass. I try. Enthusiastic. Okay, now we're going to make this not move. And why are you resting your arm on mine? And I'm trying to do a highly precise job. Aaron, you're shaking the camera. People have come to rely on our high quality camera. Okay, Aaron, stop doing that. It's every time I move. Okay, now I wanted to... Isn't that pretty? You think it'll fit? Say yes or no. He said yes. Aaron, don't do that. And there it fits. Okay, but it's too tall.
And it doesn't quite fit because I can see a gap over here.
Well, you gotta put silicone in, Aaron. How did you think I was gonna get the silicone in?
Oh. And I don't really think you care much about it being too tall.
Why
It
not?
wouldn't be the first time.
You mean we got tanks here that don't have... Oh, yeah. Okay. So we'll take the sharp off the glass. You always do the piece that you just cut too, because you never remember later on. And that's how I end up with so many cuts. Well, that's one of the reasons why I end up with so many cuts. What are you humming, son?
Nothing.
Why does the hummingbird hum?
Oh.
You didn't know the words. Ah, come on, that's funny. You know how I'm funny? I tell you I'm funny all the time.
Yeah, you tell me.
Well,
Doesn't validate it.
isn't that how a person finds out that I'm funny? I tell them. I tell you to do work all the time. Sometimes you do work. So basically I'm trying to get all the grease off of this. This used to be the lid on the... When lionfish attack actually fish tank. But that tank sprung a leak, so...
It did?
Yeah, that's why we got it sitting on the tin there. I don't know what's wrong with this glass. These marks are... Looks like they're melted into it.
Well, this was one of the pieces that I almost broke.
Aaron, there are so many pieces around here that you almost broke.
And so many people is that you actually did break.
Yeah, well, you're the one that breaks everything around here.
Really?
Yeah. Ask the viewers.
No, see, I don't do anything, which means that I don't break anything.
No, you do very little. You do break things.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You're a very responsible young man. If something gets broken, Aaron's responsible.
It's not the way it works.
It's the way it works in my country, son. Okay, so what do you think is the best way to put it on? To put the silicone there and shove the glass in this way? Put the silicone there and shove the glass in this way? Aaron.
Shove it back towards me.
I was thinking of that, but then this was going to be in the way for the caulking gun. So what I was going to try was this. Okay. Put a bead right there. See, normally what I'd do is I'd pry the top out a bit and then slide it in from the top. But because the brace is there, I can't do that. So I figure if I shove it in from the outside,